When it comes to wheels and tires with these cars, there's very little options. It's because Jaguar chose to have a hub diameter about this freaking big, and even though it shares the bolt pattern with Chevy, among a bunch of other things, it's 5 on 4 3/4, you can't get a wheel that fits over the hub diameter. It's a goofy offset, it's a goofy backspace, and unless you want the old dated stodgy looking Jaguar wheels, then you gotta get creative. To make the Corvette wheels work, we need adapters, and in this case a set of hub-centric aluminum adapters with a 174mm bore spacing to fit over the Jaguar hub and a lip to center the wheel. Wrapped around our new wheels are some BF Goodrich G-Force TAs, a 245/45 for the 17-inch wheel, which makes a great all-around performance tire for this Jag. Coil springs settled. This thing looks like a pre-runner. If you look at the side profile, there's about 4 inches between the wheel arches and the top of the shoulder of the tire. And, you know, what do? You get the saw. It's going to settle a little bit, but you got to think, we removed 350 pounds off the nose of this thing by pulling that stupid boat-anchored V12 out of there. So even with a lowering spring, we're going to have to do some adjustments. And the way you do them with a fixed coil spring is by trimming the coil spring itself. So that means the spring has to come out. Again, not a job I wanted to do, but it has to be right. That way we can leave that one in, yo. There it comes. With the spring mounted in a vise, I cut off a coil into half. And it goes back in the car. Now the rear ride height is easy to adjust thanks to the dual QA1 coilovers and the threaded adjusters on the body of the shock. The tires go back on and we can check the new ride height. I'm leaving the rods in for now, just to make sure I don't need to cut more off the spring. Looks good, and it looks good. Lots of room for steering and turning, and we're good, man, we're good. It took a little work, but now with the ride height set and the new tires and wheels on the car, it looks perfect.